at a quilt sale or getting ready to go in and see what we can find. This is an awesome place to look for good bargains for material. You like blues, don't you?
Yeah. What do you
We
think?
can get that. That's $5.
Okay. I think we're.
Work on that.
Yeah.
Use that. Work on if you see any other blues that would go with it, because it's going to take. It might be a good idea to see if you can find something with bigger chunks of material. How about this?
Yeah.
It's got a lot of material in it.
Yeah.
It doesn't really say how many yards, but you can get both of them if you want.
Okay. It's only $5 a piece.
This is 10, but
Oh yeah.
I wanted to go see if I can find a bigger piece of material to go with the baby one that I'm doing.
Some reds. Some red prints.
This way. Here, let me get this. Yeah, we can get some reds.
What about maybe this and this? What do you
Ooh, I like those.
Yeah.
Those are some pretty prints.
Yeah. What do you think? Maybe.
Those are $5.
Yeah. You don't think there's enough in there? Oh, wow, look at that.
Yeah, I know. That might be a good idea. If we're gonna get some reds, something to set it off would be a good idea.
What about that? That too?
Yeah.
They're both
And maybe this one
Oh, I
is.
get this one.
Well, yeah, for sure. $5 for all that.
Okay.
I think we gotta get that, and then we'll call it good. We'll call it good. That'll get us busy for a while. We better be.
Yes.
If it's okay.
She wanted to. She'll put that online and show.
But you
that
guys
everyone
are
see.
having I've gotten a bunch of fat quarters from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. I've just been collecting them.
That's really going to be cool.
Yeah.
Our bazaar will be August 7th, 9th, right here.
Okay.
It's a 3-day sale of everything sewing, quilting, crafting.
Awesome.
Everything.
You
Yeah,
got
those
some
blues.
to-
Oh, Ruth,
to make
yes.
you can make table runners with them, or you could make a quilt with them. There's
I think
probably
there's
for a quilt.
enough on that bundle of blue. I think there'd be enough to make 2 table runners, or at least 1 big table.
One big, maybe even a quilt if you wanted to make a
You
quilt.
think?
Yeah, probably. That was a real fast trip, but we got a lot of good stuff, I think.